I like your phone.
You like my phone? This is a new case, that's why.
You see the other side, Mama?
You want to see the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. So it's been over 2 months na hindi nila nakita yung tatay nila. Kasi yung tatay daw nila, guys, merong Alzheimer's. So si Tatay Raul Roas Sr., he's already 71 years old. I know it's very small thing to do, guys. Sana magawa natin. Kasi kung para sa atin, sobrang liit ng bagay na to. For the family, it is a massive thing. Kaya sana matulungan natin sila, guys, na mahanap na si tatay. Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to our channel! Ayan, so today is Thursday and baby Paris is ready now. Where are we going?
School.
School, yes. You know what, guys? It's nearly 12 o'clock ngayon. And ngayon ko lang madadala si Paris sa school kasi dito ko sa bahay nag-work today. And sobrang na-busy si mami niyo, guys. Kaya ngayon ko lang siya madadala. At naawa ako sa kanya kasi nga, 'di ba, nailabas na namin lahat ng mga laruan niya kahapon. Tingnan niyo kung kita niyo. Ayan. But you know, it's still good for her kapag nakalabas siya at mag-socialize sa mga friends niya, sa teachers niya. Daddy Mike is not here today. Where's Daddy Mike, honey? Where's Daddy Mike?
Office.
Office, yeah. So, Daddy Mike work in the office today. Kaya, at ito pupunta ng school. Kaya si mami niyo ay maiiwan ng mag-isa dito sa bahay. Kawawaan mo si mami, no? No. Ay, nandito pala si Baby Celine. Ayan. Kaya okay lang, dalawa kami dito. Nak na! Sobrang ginaw sa labas na, guys. Kaya tingnan nyo, nag-jacket kaming ganyan. Ayan, sobrang kapal ng jacket ni Baby Paris. Yan na ang kanyang, bag. Oh, I'll have to get you water bottle pa, anak. Okay? How are you this morning? You're good? Are you good today? Yeah? First time pala niyang pumunta ng school this week kasi nga, diba, Tuesday, Wednesday, hindi siya nakapunta ng school because she was not very well. And now that she's starting to feel better, ayan, it's very good naman.
Mama, I'm better already.
Are you better already? Are you sure? How can you tell that you're better?
This made me bigger, grow.
Oh, really? Mama gave you that because you brush your teeth. You've been good. That's why I gave you the prize. See? See? Okay. Let's go get ready now, okay? Hold your bag. Stand there, be show tita and tito your outfit. Wow, ayan. Turn around. Turn around po din taon ang kuan, bata. Batang gumoy. Yan. I'll go get your, water bottle. Do you know where your water bottle is?
Kitchen?
In the kitchen? Which one would you like? Which one?
I want to lead there.
Which one?
I want to lead there, and then I can drink the
Can you speak without the lollipop in your mouth? Okay, now, so you can talk now. Which one would you like?
No, this is oops.
Which water bottle would you like to bring to school?
The one for lead.
No, you put the thing again in your mouth. Don't speak when your mouth is full. See, you take it out and then you answer Mama.
Mama.
Okay, so which water bottle would you like to bring to school?
I lead.
Which color? Pink one? Okay, alright. I'll go get it ready for you. Oh my God, sobrang mahangin sa labas. Go, na, anak. Sobrang maginaw. Go, honey.
is not my tummy still.
What is it, Nak?
This is mommy.
Hold the door for me.
What is mommy's tummies?
Mm-mm.
Tummy's not in the door.
That's right. Careful, Nak. Look where you're going. See? It's been wet. It's going to be like this all week. Go, anak. Pero si Kuya, walang makakapag-stop kay Kuya. Oh, hindi siya giniginaw, guys, no? Oh, actually, kapag nag-exercise ka, feel hot. Ayan. Shush! Good girl. I can't remember anong araw ko last na drive yung car, guys. Ay, sobrang linaw. Uy, grabe. Anak. Are you warm? Are you warm enough?
Mama.
Yes? Oh, walang araw. Wala talaga, guys. Grabe.
I'm coming to study here.
This is winter in Melbourne. Tingnan niyo, guys. Grabe. Ulan-ulan. Go. Keep going, anak. Sobra talaga. Oh, mahangin pa. Careful.
A few moments later.
So, ayan guys, kakadrop lang natin kay Baby Paris sa school. And nag-stop ako dito sa isang cafe para bumili nito. Kasi I'm feeling hungry and it is super duper cold outside. So, bumili ako ng small hot chocolate. At the same time, ayan, bumili ako ng Nutella croissant. Ayan. Oh, Jesus. Sobrang, guys, lakas ng hangin at ulan sa labas. So, I'll just drink a little bit of this one before tayo balik ng bahay. Actually, may share pala ako sa inyo, guys. And, I am hoping na may makakatulong this way. So, earlier today, as I was scrolling through my Facebook, nakita ko tong post na to, guys, at naantig talaga yung puso ko. Super nadama ko yung feeling talaga sa post niya. So, ito ay post ng aming kapitbahay, guys. So, hindi talaga sobrang lapit ng bahay namin, but we live in the same barangay kung saan nakatira yung family ko. So, ito yung post niya, guys. So, it's been over 2 months na hindi nila nakita yung tatay nila. Kasi yung tatay daw nila, guys, merong Alzheimer's. So, si Tatay Raul Roas Sr., he's already 71 years old at meron siyang Alzheimer's, guys. And can you imagine, it's been over 2 months na hindi mo nakita yung tatay mo. How are you going to feel? 'Di ba? So, yun talaga yung na-feel ko, guys. So, nakita ko yung post. Like, shinare ko agad sa wall ko sa Facebook because we all know that social media is really big at the moment. And, you know, we'll never know our luck na pag shinare natin yung post o pag shinare natin ng ganito sa YouTube, especially yung YouTube, guys, kasi it's a good platform kasi naaabot kung kahit saang sulok ng mundo. And I know for sure na maraming mga viewers natin dyan na galing sa iba't ibang lugar sa Pilipinas. And we'll never know na baka nakita nyo to si tatay or baka may nakakilala kay tatay kasi obviously, guys, wala siyang maalala. Meron siyang Alzheimer's. Na-feel ko lang yung pain ng mga anak, guys. Especially nito o yung anak niya na nag-post nito. Kasi, parang wala nang sasakit pa kung yun bang hindi mo alam kung saan yung tatay mo, kung ano yung kalagayan niya, kung may nangyari ba sa kanya. And 2 months is too long. Like, it's super long na paghihintay na hindi mo alam kung saan yung tatay mo, kung saan napunta yung tatay mo. So what I'm going to do, I'll post some photos, yung mga photos ni tatay na pinost nila sa Facebook. Ipopost ko dito sa screen and hopefully merong makatulong, guys. Si tatay na to, when I was in the Philippines, when I was a kid in the Philippines, familiar na to siya sa akin. Nakikita ko na to siya nung nandun pa ako sa Pilipinas nakatira. And kaya nung nakita ko yung yung photos niya sa sa Facebook nga na nawawala siya, parang agad yung utak tsaka yung puso ko na, oh my God, kawawa naman yung pamilya, kawawa naman si tatay. So, hindi natin alam kung anong nangyari sa kanya ngayon, kung may nagpapakain ba sa kanya, kung nga guys, like, we don't want to think the worst scenario. At the moment, yung kailangan natin is yung parang hope na sana makita na si tatay at makauwi na siya sa pamilya niya. Ilalagay ko yung mga phone numbers sa screen kasi if ever man na kaawaan tayo ng Diyos na may makakilala kay tatay, contact nyo kaagad itong contact details na to sa screen para matulungan natin yung family, guys. This way, sa ganitong paraan, kahit maliit lang to na paraan, guys, diba? We can help them, we can help the family. Kasi if we are in their shoes, alam nyo na ang mararamdaman natin. Kaya, yeah, let's help share this one, guys. Kahit sa ang tawag nito, kung punta kayo sa Facebook page ko, makikita nyo doon yung shinare ko na page. Or, isi-share ko rin siya sa ating sa Mom and Paris in Melbourne na page para ma-share nyo rin, guys, if ever meron kayong mga Facebook. I know it's very small thing to do, guys. Sana magawa natin kasi kung para sa atin, sobrang liit ng bagay na to. For the family, it is a massive thing. Kaya sana matulungan natin sila, guys, na mahanap na si tatay.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo. It's now 2:45 ng hapon and I'm in front of my computer. Work si mami niyo. But I'm planning to have my lunch break now. Hindi pa kasi ako nagugutom, guys, kasi nga diba, bumili ako kanina ng yung croissant tsaka yung hot chocolate, kaya hindi pa masyado akong gutom. But later on, kung gugutumin man si Buntis, ay kakain ako ng rice kasi meron naman tayong rice dyan na naiwan. So, meron pala tayong natanggap today na parcel. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, super cute. Tingnan nyo. So, phone case na Mickey Mouse. Sobrang cute, diba? Ayan. Sinuot ko kaagad sa phone ko, guys. Huwag nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Kakarak-karak. Ayan, super nice. I got this one from AliExpress pala. Maybe I ordered this like month or maybe months ago. Pero kapag nag-order ka talaga sa AliExpress, wag ka nang mag-expect na darating siya in time. Kasi sobrang tagal. This is from China, kaya sobrang tagal niya dumating. Although, it's worth it naman kasi hindi siya masyadong mahal kumpara kung sa bibili ka sa mga shops. And then another parcel na dumating is from ASOS. Sobrang laki. Tingnan nyo. No? Ang laman pala nito ay regalo ko for Daddy Mike para sa aming anniversary this 28th of June. So, we will be celebrating our anniversary, guys, sa 28th. And buti na lang wala siya dito today para hindi niya to makita na din-deliver. Perfect timing talaga, guys. God knows talaga. Kaya yun. I'll just hide this one for now. And then, tsaka ko na siya ilalabas kapag ibibigay ko na to sa kanya. Tsaka ko na rin i-reveal sa inyo, guys. But, tingnan niyo. Sobrang laki. Ayan. So, ngayon, magla-lunch break si mami niyo. Alam yung gagawin ko, maghugas ako ng pinggan. Maglinis-linis ako dito since wala si Baby Paris. Walang maghugaw-hugaw.
A few moments later.
What is it, Nak? There's a bunny in there.
Wow.
Wow. Can I go get your bag now? Go, go. Ayan, tong batang to hindi daw nag-nap. Sabi ng teacher niya. Diba, late na kami pumunta dito kanina. Ayan.
I
What?
like the phone.
You like my phone? This is a new case, that's why.
You see the other side, Mama?
You want to see the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. That's the other side. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
I just finished school. You didn't have a nap? Why not? Why not? Tell me.
Mother is.
Tell me.
Yeah.
Why didn't you have a nap? You weren't tired?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to get your jacket first. It's in the other room though. Go.
It's cool.
Hey, go. Let's go. Hala. Let's go check your jacket. Don't leave your jacket.
This way.
This way, anak. Maano yung jacket dere. Come. Oh, there it is. Tara sa salog, oh. Go. 'Cause it's very cold outside now. We have to go to the shops.
Where are we going?
To the shops.
Shops? Why can't I buy?
We'll go have a look. Do you want something? Look, that's your jacket, pud nak, oh. You left a lot here, nak. This is your jacket too. Here. Put this on. What would you like to buy from the shop?
There's more donuts there.
Donuts.
No, donuts. Teacher Melvin donut.
Huh?
Teacher Jamie of lot of donuts.
Did Jamie have a lot of donuts?
Yeah.
Okay. What else are you gonna get from the shop?
Some
You have to get bread,
tomatoes.
tomatoes. You want tomatoes?
My toes.
Okay. What else?
Carrots.
Carrots.
Like bunny.
Okay. What else?
Sugar.
Sugar. And
Soup.
soup.
Banana.
Okay.
Sprite.
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 Okay. What else? What else? Yo.
You.
Good.
Got.
You got.
You get
Close now,
that's your cat.
Yeah. Are we gonna get milk as well?
I like milk.
You like
It will grow big like that.
big like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you drink milk,
But I'm big.
you are big. Do you know how to close this one? Can you reach now? Mandarin.
Yeah. I'm big.
What? Do it properly.
I'm so big, Mama.
You are big. 2, 3. Good job. 4. Enough now. Can you put this in the back? Hold it. Put it here. Thank you. Let's go. Can you get this one, please?
What's that?
It's Anzac biscuit. Baby, What is
I want cookie too.
that's cookie. Come
Not
here.
cookie.
Get another bread.
There.
Come on, another bread here. This one. Put one here.
This one, Mama.
Yes, please. Thank you. This way. Yeah?
Mommy.
Yeah, we'll get that one, okay? Get this one too. First. This one. Yeah. Oh, don't do that to the bread. Come on. Just be gentle with the bread. Kina. Gentle sad kayo siya, guys. Huwag yun ako anak, guys, eh. Okay. Thank you. Would you like orange juice or apple juice? Which one?
Wait, is orange?
Orange? You orange? Ooh. We're home. Say we're home.
Home.
Daddy Mike is here now too. Go open the door. Open the door. Ayan. Si Daddy Mike ngayon lang din nakauwi, guys. Ewan ko anong mga oras na ngayon. Nearly 7 o'clock na. Nasa-office siya nag-work today. Papakita ko lang sa inyo quickly yung mga nabili ko sa shop. So, hindi marami yung... Hello! We just got home too.
I'm so busy.
You're so big. Close the door, please, Bob. It's too cold. So, just quickly show you guys. Hindi marami yung napamili ko. Kasi nga, pag ako lang mag-isa tapos andyan sa Paris, nahihirapan ako magbit-bit. Kaya yung mga kailangan lang talaga namin for tomorrow. Ayan. So, we got bread. Got milk. Ayan. Diretso na siya agad sa kanyang tatay. We got some wipes for baby Paris. And then, yogurt. Ayan. Paris is loving yogurt recently. She's good. And then, got some mango slice. At nagdala ako ng plastic bag, kaya yun. Hindi na natin kailangan bumili ng plastic bag. Ang bait ko tonight. Ayan. Bread rolls. You have that. Orange juice. I bought some of these as well. My drink. And then my Anzac biscuit. Ayan. Meron pa ba? Ah, oo. And then the mandarin. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung binili natin sa shop. Hindi na ako nagbili ng mga pagkain kasi meron naman kaming mga meat, vegetables, ganyan sa freezer tsaka sa fridge. So, as much as possible, ayokong magdami ng bili kasi it always happens na natatapon namin yung mga pagkain at sobrang sayang ba. Kaya, sine-check muna namin yung nasa freezer, kung ano yung frozen, defrost, then yun yung lulutuin para hindi masayang yung pagkain. It happened before na sobrang dami naming karne na natapon. Kasi pag pumupunta ng shops, bili ng ganito, bili ng ganyan, hindi nag-iisip. Kaya yun. Check na natin yung dalawa. Hello? Bulingit? What did you eat?
Sandwich?
Sandwich?
Natin.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, what's up? We just I was just telling Paris, we just checked under the bed.
Are you checked? Under the bed? Ay, kasi tatakot na si Paris ngayon, guys. Pagkagising niya kaninang umaga, natakot siya. May skeleton daw sa under the bed. Na, what's under the bed?
My under the bed.
There's nothing in there.
No.
There's nothing. I told you.
I just want skittle.
No skeleton?
I'm just looking in the mirror.
Here's for dinner, guys. Daddy cooked. This is the beef that I took out from the freezer earlier today. Chili, brown rice.
Chili. I like chili.
Do you like chili, Blingit?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the
It's so
beans.
spicy.
It's very spicy.
Yeah.
Very hot.
How do you know it's spicy?
As if you had chili before in your life. Ba?
I like that she knows. Is chili spicy?
Yeah.
What's lemon?
Sweet.
No. Lemon is
Orange.
lemon is sour.
Sour.
What's orange?
Uy,
Never. Sweet.
sweet. Bon appetit! Ayan guys, kakatapos lang nating mag-dinner. So ngayon, i-fix na lang natin ang ating bed para ready na mamaya pagtulog natin. I'll just get Paris ready as well guys. Toothbrush and all. Ayan, kahit nasa loob ng bahay, naka-jacket kasi sobrang ginaw. What are you eating?
Here.
They can see you. Show them what you're eating.
This bread here.
Bread? Tell them if it's nice or not.
Yeah.
Tell them!
Yeah.
Is it nice?